Today, I'm gonna be replacing my reverse osmosis water system so that I can have clean water out on the trail.
I think it was time to change this filter, guys. What do you think? Ugh, gross. It's way harder than I thought it was gonna be.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week, we're not going outside. We are going to hook our future selves up by replacing the water filter that I have at home, otherwise known as the APEC water filtration system, the reverse osmosis water filtration system that I have in my house. This is the first water that I drink on the trail, and it's really, really important that we all have filtered water. I'm a little bit of a water nerd, guys. Like, I really enjoy clean water and the science of clean water, which is the other reason why you guys see me walking around with a LifeStraw filter. It's one of my favorite filters that I've had while I'm on the trail, to have that clean water, drinking right from the stream. I'm obsessed with clean water. Even at home I have the ability to use a reverse osmosis system, which it's dangerous to drink the tap water. Yes, I know a lot of you are like, no, it's totally safe. That everybody always says it's totally safe. Lead pipes leaching into your water, that's not good. The smoke leaching into your water, that's not good. Fluoride leaching into your water, also not good. Clay leaching into water, also not good. We have so many different things to worry about, which is why I recommend getting a water filter. I'll be leaving this water filter's link down below. I might suggest a different water filter later on in the future, but this is the easiest one that I found that's affordable. You know, 250 bucks, and then you replace the filters every few years. I've had, very guiltily, I've had this water filter in here for maybe 4.5 years. So it's overdue for a replacement. So I bought this replacement filter maybe 3 months ago, and I have not installed it. I definitely do things on my own and I mess things up, but hopefully this is as easy to replace as the video says it is. Before we get started, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. It's big, it's red, and it says subscribe. And while you're down there, tell your friends too. Okay, first, you gotta take all your stuff out underneath your sink, okay? Which, lucky for me, I have it in these little caddies. So that makes it a lot easier. Pro tip, get a caddy so you can get rid of all your cleaning supplies in one go. So they say that the first step is to shut off the water. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this blue tab right here and I'm gonna shut this one off. But first, what I like to do is I'm gonna empty out this water thing altogether, because if I'm gonna have to drain everything out, I'm gonna take out all the water. Okay, now I'm gonna take everything and seal it down. Hopefully close everything off. Hope Righty Tighty works. So that should be good. Now I need to take this guy out. Come on, come on. Come on, there we go. All right, this trusty box of amazingness here. Where's this magic wrench that they say I'm supposed to have? It's a plastic wrench, for fuck's sake. Can you not just give me the plastic wrench? What if I don't have a plastic wrench? Of course not. It does not say what to do if you don't have a wrench, so hopefully I can just do this by hand. Oh no, that's not gonna work. Pre-filter should be changed every 6 to 12 months. Whoops, I didn't do that. Where is the wrench, more importantly? Really? You don't put the wrench in the box? Are you kidding me? How is that even? Note to self, if you're watching this video, order the wrench if you don't already have it, because I got the filters, I did not get the wrench. As luck would have it, Dre has found the wrench. All right. Can't believe I was about to pay $10 for this piece of plastic. That's ridiculous. Oh, yeah, you need the wrench for that bad boy. Kind of wish I had the RO in the sink. Oh. Damn it. I think it was time to change this filter, guys. What do you think? Ugh,
gross. Look at that thing. Gross. It's like sediment. Are you kidding me? This whole thing is sweat. Oh, what a mess. Okay. Taking this guy out. Look how gross it is. Yuck. Give it a little rinse. Can we just look at this? This is what before and after. This is how this starts out. This is how it finishes. Maybe I need to change these a little more frequently. Okay. Noted. The other components do that. Okay, so let's do that. Right, that's just that guy. So this guy's ready to go in. I like how the instructional video gives you just one of these. Good job, guys. Way to slack off on the instructional video. Now, take this guy. That's it. We just put that in there. We pop it in. Ugh. I imagine I need a wrench to close this. Wrench it closed. Let's see if we can get number 2. Oh, that was super easy. Should I just do 2 and 3 at the same time? That seems like an efficient way of going about it. Just do 1 and 2 at the same time. Fucker. Oh man, I just cleaned that. Right. Might as well do both of these at the same time. Oh, you're leaking already too. That's what you get for trying to do both at the same time, Harry. Come on. Oh, getting everything wet. It would be really nice if I could just do this over the damn sink. Darn. This whole area is already wet. Note to self, you're gonna need a towel for this. Okay. Ooh, that guy looks disgusting. Look at that. Oh, that one doesn't look so bad. Yeah, that one needed a little rinse for sure. Look at what this guy looks like on the inside. A little sediment. No good. It didn't say to rinse it, but I'm just going to, just because this is just going to be something else I have to filter. Hopefully this thing doesn't just like explode on me when I can see this thing exploding on me later on. All right. Cool. Somehow I've sprung a leak. There we go. Oh, there we go. Got it. You need to use needle nose pliers for this. Oh, that's why. Whoop, there's more water in the ground. Just, yep, there we go. All right. Swimming in my kitchen. This is horrible. I'm definitely not very good at this. Okay, hey. Ah! Okay. This guy needs to go on the end. They want it to be not touched. This is what I'm gonna do. And then push it in. Yep. Done. Didn't even need needle nose pliers for that one. Is this one back in? This one's back in. This one's okay. Cool. I got that one done. That wasn't too hard. It's way harder than I thought it was gonna be. That's the part that goes to the faucet. That's right. This is the part that goes in here. That's right as well, I think. Did I just break that? God, I hope not. Okay, this guy's in there. This guy's in there. This guy. Ooh, that's why. There it is. See, this is good. I get to clean out my sink too at the same time. It's like spring cleaning. I didn't know I was going to be doing a deep clean of this sink today, but I am. Oh, sorry. All right, this guy's going right back in where it was before. Hopefully. That was not very easy. 2 hours for good clean water though. Worth it? Probably. I'll let you know.
I have to fill this tank 2 times and rinse it through, and then we're gonna get clean water. So, wish me luck.
Look at all these filters. 1, 2, 4. These are all going in the trash.
And now for the moment of truth. Filtering that out. If you're doing this project like me, you might need 3 extra towels. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment below and let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see me make in the future. And I'll see you guys next Friday.